All right, so now we know the type of pains, the pain file, and you have identified your particular pains. Let us now understand how to solve it. We need to understand that life is not the way it is supposed to be, it is the way it is. And the only way we can find solution, there are 5 steps I'll give you. The first one is choose a positive life stance. What do I mean by that? Is take positive lesson out of bad experiences. Look for positive. What is that you're learning out of it? The result may not be as what you wanted. Result may be some of the pain. But what is that good? What is that positive you can pick from that? Now, again, when we are in that situation, that time it is difficult to see it that way. But once you're out of it, then it's very easy to see some positive out of this. Okay. So remember to have a positive life stance. If you're not able to see it yourself, it's better to take help of external friend, coach who knows the topic and they can help you. Develop your creativity. Some of you who have come to my other program, you are Born Genius, where I train on being how to be creative, how to generate idea in less than 60 seconds. You know that being creative helps you coming out with out of box ideas, and at times when we don't know what to do and you do some of these exercise on creativity, or those of you who are doing some creativity trainings, you will agree with me that when you come out with some solution, it might be very small idea to start with, but over a period of time it may result in a big difference to help you. Number 3, embrace the value of bad experiences. Always remember that bad experiences comes with lots of value. They add lots of value to you if you are willing to learn. So embrace the value of bad experiences. Number 4, make good changes after learning from bad experiences. So when you have experienced it, bad phase is gone, pain is out, make good changes immediately after that. Whatever is the learning, based on the learning, do the changes so that you take advantage of the learning out of it immediately. And hence it becomes in a positive as a long-term result and you grow out of it. So rather than focusing that time on the feeling or thoughts, focus on the action, desired action. Number 5, take responsibility for your life. So you are, most of you are trainer here, so you know that we are responsible for our result and nobody else. Even if it is a success or failure, pain or pleasure, if you take responsibility, meaning you take control in your hand, when you take control in your hand, then you can guide it to the direction where you want to take it. Thank you. Let's see the next part in next video.